This problem is completely based on the basics of percentage. So let's apply the rules of percentage and solve this problem. So square root 121% divided by 11%. Square root of 121 is equals to 11% divided by 11%. 11% divided by 11% is equals to 1. This is not correct. This is wrong answer. To solve it correctly, first change the percentage into numerical values. So this can be written as square root of 121 multiply percentage is equals to 1 divided by 100 divided by 11 multiply 1 divided by 100, which is equals to square root of 121 divided by 100 divided by 11 divided by 100 is equals to square root of 11 divided by 10 square divided by 11 by 100, which is equals to the square cancels. 11 divided by 10 is further divided by 11 divided by 100. So this 100 goes here, this 10 comes here. So this is equals to 11 multiply 100 divided by 11 multiply 10. This 11 cancels this 11 and it's equals to 10. So to convert into percentage, we have to multiply by 100. So 100 multiplied by 10 is equals to 1000%. So this is the correct answer.